You go in the downstairs bathroom, and if you look, there's a little metal thing that you pull, and then you take it and you put it in this little hole right here, and it holds it up. Press it down. That way it won't fall on your head. Then you go down the stairs. Here's the light switch. And you walk, stay on the board so your feet don't get disgusting. You walk over. This right here is how much water's in the tank. If you look, there's a black line just above that metal, I don't know what you'd call it. So it needs some water. So then I walk over here and I take this lever and I turn it down. You can hear the water starting to come in. And you go back over and you watch until the water level reaches that black line. And you can see as it's gathering up. So there it is. And then I go back over and turn it off. So again, it's right to that line. I think I got it there, maybe not quite so far, but where'd it go? I went a little above it, if you can see. Oops.